Hello students, today we will learn about balanced and unbalanced chemical equations and how to balance the unbalanced chemical equations. What is balanced chemical equation? Look at this equation. Zinc plus sulfuric acid gives zinc sulfate plus hydrogen. Now write the elements that are present in the equation: zinc, hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen, zinc, hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen, and write the number of atoms of the elements in the left hand side as well as in the right hand side. So zinc, number of atoms 1 on left hand side, hydrogen 2, sulfur 1, oxygen 4. In the same way on the right hand side, zinc 1, hydrogen 2, sulfur 1, oxygen 4. So in this chemical equation, the number of atoms of different elements on the left hand side as well as right hand side are equal. So this is balanced chemical equation. So a balanced chemical equation can be defined as a chemical equation in which the number of atoms of different elements are same or equal on both the sides of the equation. Now comes unbalanced chemical equation. Look at the equation. Hydrogen plus oxygen gives water. Now in the same way, write the number of elements here, hydrogen and oxygen, and write the atoms of different elements present on the left hand side as well as on the right hand side. Now look here, the number of atoms of oxygen on the left hand side are 2 and on the right hand side are 1. This means this chemical equation is unbalanced. So an unbalanced chemical equation can be defined as the equation in which the number of atoms of different elements on the two sides of the equation are not same or equal. So now the question arises, why we need to balance a chemical equation? This is necessary because according to law of conservation of mass, mass can neither be created nor be destroyed. It means the total mass of the reactants must be equal to the total mass of the products. So the number of atoms of different elements on the left hand side must be equal to the right hand side, and so we need to balance a chemical equation. Now, balancing a chemical equation. Take a chemical equation. For example, iron plus water gives iron oxide plus hydrogen. In the first step, enclose all the elements and compounds in the boxes. In the second step, write the name of the elements and also the number of atoms of the elements on left hand side as well as right hand side. Here, the name of the elements are iron, hydrogen, oxygen, and the number of atoms of the iron is 1, hydrogen is 2, oxygen is 1, and on right hand side iron is 3, hydrogen is 2, and oxygen is 4. Now this chemical equation is unbalanced because the number of atoms of iron and oxygen are unbalanced. So to balance this equation, in the third step we will take the biggest formula and start balancing the element with the largest number of atoms, that is oxygen. So here on left hand side is 1 and on right hand side is 4 atoms. So in the third step, put 4 before oxygen on left hand side so that oxygen atoms becomes balanced. In the next step, balance the iron element. So iron has only 1 atom on left hand side and on right hand side 3. So we have to put 3 before iron on left hand side. Now it gets balanced. Now only oxygen atom becomes balanced already. Now only hydrogen atom remains. Here are 8 atoms of hydrogen and here is only 2. So to balance the hydrogen atom, we have to put 4 before hydrogen on right hand side so that it gets balanced. Now the complete equation is get balanced. Iron has 3 atoms. Here is also 3. Hydrogen 8. Here is also 8. Oxygen 4. And here is also 4. So this is the balanced chemical equation in which all the elements have equal number of atoms on the left hand side as well as right hand side.